How to block a user on GitHub. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a user on GitHub easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to github.com. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and go down, click on settings down here as you can see. After you click on settings, it will take you right here. Now go and click on this moderation option as you can see. Now click here on blocked users. After you click on it, now here on this bar, add the username or the full name or the email address of the user that you want to block. And after you add the name of the user, just choose it from here, then click block user, and the user will be blocked. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.